In this video, I'll show you how to connect MetaMask to PancakeSwap. First, open your browser and make sure the MetaMask extension is installed and unlocked. If you are using a mobile phone, open the MetaMask app and use the built-in browser for an easier connection. Before connecting, check that MetaMask is set to the correct network. PancakeSwap is commonly used with BNB Smart Chain, so you may need to add or switch to BNB Smart Chain inside MetaMask. You should also have a small amount of BNB in your wallet if you plan to make swaps later, because BNB is used for network fees. Next, open the official PancakeSwap website. Be careful with fake websites, sponsored ads, and links from social media messages. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet. Once PancakeSwap opens, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually near the top right corner of the page. Click it, then choose MetaMask from the wallet list. MetaMask will now show a connection request. Review the website name carefully and make sure it matches the official PancakeSwap site. Then select the wallet account you want to connect and click Next. After that, click Connect inside MetaMask. PancakeSwap should now show your wallet address or balance on the screen. This means MetaMask is connected successfully. If PancakeSwap asks you to switch networks, approve the network switch in MetaMask only if the details look correct. Once the correct network is active, you can use PancakeSwap features like swapping tokens, adding liquidity, or checking pools. If the connection does not work, refresh the page, unlock MetaMask, check your network, or disconnect and reconnect the wallet. Remember, connecting MetaMask does not require your seed phrase. Never type your recovery phrase into any website, and never approve suspicious transactions. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.